Good afternoon all. I am Jay Kumar. My team is Tech Team. My team members are Jyotishwaran, Shivamurgan, Navin Kumar and Akash. We are third year students from the Department of CSE, Arunai Engineering College. Our team mentor is Mrs. Sri Lakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Our concept is Bus Locator and Seat Vacancy Finder. Our domain is Internet of Things. IoT describes the network of physical objects that are embedded with sensors, software and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the internet.
Problem statement. In the existing system, lot of passengers are struggling to reach the bus stop at a correct time. So lot of passengers are missing the bus. If the passenger reach the bus stop early, then they need to wait more time until the bus to reach at the bus stop. Even we don't know whether the bus is coming or it's already gone. Buses do not have a proper schedule and you will have to wait long hours in the bus stop. Our idea to add a photo sensor in bus steps. It's used to count number of passengers entered as well as the exit in the bus, and add a GPS sensor in the bus. It's used to find a bus live location. We need to create an application and web page to track a bus location and vacancy also. The vacancy can monitor in two ways. One is building device, another one is photo sensor. The Raspberry Pi is a microcontroller. It controls all activities and store the information from the cloud to access easily.
Prerequisite: GPS, photo sensor, counter, billing machine, Raspberry Pi microcontroller, Android Studio, cloud.
Working concept. We have to fix a GPS device in the bus. This helps us to track the location where the bus is, through which we can able to find whether the bus is gone or it is coming. The user has to give the destination name and to find when the bus will arrive at the bus stop and how long it takes to reach the destination. A photo sensor will be fixed to the top of the steps. This will monitor the passenger entering and exiting the bus. It sends a pulse output to the counter. Counter will be incremented by 1 if the passenger enters the bus, and it will be decremented by 1 if the passenger exits the bus. We can find the seat vacancy by subtracting the count displayed by the counter from the number of seats in the bus. We can also find the seat vacancy by using the billing device. The billing device sends the number of passengers traveling the bus to the database. Here we can find the vacancy by finding the difference of total number of seats and the number of passengers. We are using Raspberry Pi to interconnect the devices. Raspberry Pi sends the data to the cloud. The web page and the Android application will receive the necessary information from the cloud.
Black diagram. GPS, photo sensor and counter are interconnected with Raspberry Pi microcontroller. The billing machine and the Raspberry Pi microcontroller are connected with cloud. From the Raspberry Pi microcontroller, informations are updated to the cloud. From the cloud, informations are received by the web page and mobile application. Finally, the informations are displayed throughout the mobile application with web page.
Bus tracking system using GPS module. In existing system, lot of passengers are need to wait long hour in a bus stop. Lot of old people are struggling to wait in a bus stop. Our idea can be implemented, then passenger no need to wait in a bus stop. The passengers can be monitor a bus live location using GPS sensor and a mobile application and web page also. Seat vacancy finder using photo sensor and counter. We need to add a photo sensor in bus both steps. It's used to count number of passengers enter in a bus, also exit in the bus. The counter monitor a passenger count and share the information to the Raspberry Pi microcontroller. The microcontroller stores the information to the cloud. The passenger can access the bus location and vacancy also using the application and the web page.
RAS, to reduce the passengers waiting time in the bus stop, to find the exact location of the particular bus with the seat vacancy of the particular bus, to give the prediction of bus arriving time in the particular bus stop. The passengers can be identified how many buses available in the particular route to destination, and also the passengers can be identified how many number of bus stops available in the particular route to destination.
You can explore more project videos on www.arunai.org/Ideathon. Thank you.